dude, the little bikes that you can ride literally just full throttle to the stop, it's so much fun. It's hard to, oh my goodness gracious, that was almost very bad. Today we brought out the beautiful Thumpstar TSX140. I'm really excited to rip this thing because we brought it into its natural habitat. We're going to ride an actual pit bike track today. The first time I rode it more on a full-size dirt bike track, and while it was a lot of fun, I'm excited to see how it does on a track that's actually made for it. I think the key to riding one of these pit bikes is really nailing your shift points, keeping this thing high in the RPM. Oh, dude, just ripped past me. Dang, this guy's throwing scrubs. Holy shit. I can't believe how fast that dude just blew past me. Oh shit. I came in too hot. But holy shit, is it fun to just hold a pit bike absolutely wide open everywhere. I'd say one thing that I'd love to make a little bit better on this bike is the clutch pull. Clutch pull is very stiff. Wears out my fingers decently quick. I gotta get to that level. This dude's literally scrubbing. Looks like he's not even trying. Jetting, and the jetting is pretty dang good. I haven't had any complaints or issues with the power delivery, how it comes on. But once you get used to the small size of it, if you're used to pit bikes, you'll have a ton of fun on this thing. Down the second again. Oh yeah, just beautiful. Certainly feels pretty good for a mini bike. Pop it down. There we go. You gotta be like redlining it, make it through that deep sand. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.